Hey guys, here is a 52-inch SMC A-52 ceiling fan in antique brass. I picked this fan up on Facebook Dumpster Place today for only $10. It actually came packed up in a Hampton Bay fan box. So when I bought it, I was thinking it was going to be the Hampton Bay fan, but I got a pleasant surprise when I opened it up when I got home, and I saw this inside of it. So it came pretty much all complete except for the canopy and the light globe. The light kit is kind of messed up, that's why the bulb is just hanging there. But otherwise it works okay. I'm pretty sure the control knob is a little bit finicky, but you know, I just have to deal with that. But anyway, I'll give it a try. Here's the light. That globe's not original, that's just a globe that I had on hand. I would have put a schoolhouse globe on it, but surprisingly, I don't have one on hand right now. So this'll do. Doesn't look too bad though. But there's that. And here's the slowest speed it's gonna go on. Has a terrible hum to it, but you know, it happens with some of these older fans. It's a really cool fan though, I really like it a lot. Gives off those really old school vibes to it. It even came with the J-hook actually, so that was pretty cool. Feeling a little bit of a breeze over here. Does obviously have a wobble to it. I'll turn it up a little bit more. Go a little bit higher. And we'll go up a little bit more, which actually that's high speed. So this is the fastest it's gonna go. Get close to it. Surprisingly, the bearings aren't in bad shape. It just has that terrible buzz to it. I'm actually going to turn the light on. I like how that looks with it on. Turn it off. Of course, it has the forward and reverse pull chain on it, but yeah, I'm not going to show reverse. There's no point, obviously. There's also no tags on the fan, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's just the way it is. You can see the blades in very good shape. But the light kit does actually say 1986. See that, but it does say it right up there. Yeah. there's the box that came in. You probably saw the other video of it, but yeah. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.